Good morning students. Today the series of online classes. Today I teach you transportation in plants. What is the means of transportation? Transportation means transfer of material from one part to other part of plant body. In last topic I told you that how animals body blood transport different type of material and how can it carry the waste material and remove from the body. So in this topic today we explain the transportation in plants. In plants, transportation occurs with the help of two type of tissues. First is xylem and second is phloem. We know that plant body present in a particular place, they have not any type of movement occurs, so that's why they cannot need too much energy at compared to the human beings. So the first of all, plants transport water and minerals, and second thing is food. First, water and minerals that is transported by with the help of xylem, and food material is transported by with the help of phloem. Listen that how xylem conduct the food material to upward direction. Roots here present in soil that absorb the water and then it can go upward direction and transport to whole plant body. We see that the transportation of water in unidirectional because roots absorb water and it goes upward direction, that's why it can be in unidirectional. But in case of food, we know that there are so many leaves are present in a one plant, one tree, and each leaf carry the chlorophyll which form the photosynthesis mechanism and food formation. That's why it transfer the food from both direction, upward direction and downward direction. Now we study that how water and minerals transported in the plant body. There are two phenomena. First, transpiration, and second is root pressure. In the process of transpiration, a suction force is occurs, a pressure is applied by the leaves, that's why the roots absorb the water. Think about that. The roots here which is present in soil receive the food, receive the water from the soil, and when one cell receive it, transfer the water to next cell, then next cell. This process is occurs continuously, and we know that in the process of transpiration means, what is the means of transpiration? The loss of water in the form of vapors is known as transpiration. So stomata is present in the leaves which remove the water in the form of vapors. This water removes in atmosphere. This water removes in atmosphere, and in this process continue water lose in atmosphere, that's why a suction force occurs and which can push continuously the water to a suction force. The second thing is root hair pressure. We know that roots are present in soil, that's why the concentration of inside of root hair is less in compared to outside. In soil more much amount of the minerals are present, that's why concentration is high. So in the process of higher concentration to lower concentration, the material goes inside that. After that, that is known as active absorption. The water transfer to the same process, and that is known as the root pressure. But in second, the case of food that is transported by with the help of phloem. Phloem, this process is known as translocation. Translocation means transport of food from one part to plant the next part is known as translocation. In this process, the leaves synthesize the food and that can be transferred to the phloem. When this transfer to the food phloem, the concentration of inside of phloem is increased, and then after the near about the phloem, the xylem is also present there, which gives the water molecules. That's why this part have higher concentration of material, which moves this concentration to the lower part, and then this process is continuously run. And when this part covered the minerals and the food, the concentration increase and it transfer to the whole plant body. So this phenomena is occurs in the whole plant body. Means first of all, the food synthesis by the plants leaves, and that can be transferred to the phloem, and phloem transport the whole material to the plant body. So that is the main process of translocation. That type of transportation occurs in plants body. Thank you. So today your homework: define the process of transportation in plants, define transpiration and translocation, which conduct water and minerals and which conduct food material. Thank you.